Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 4 of my Brixmax lighting kit for the Dune Atriedes Ornithopter. Anyway, we've got all the front lights all hooked up, and now we're just hooking up these rear lights and getting them all connected together. Okay, so now it wants me to, I guess I can close them and close this again. Think now that those wires are in, just turn that upside down. So we have these two wires and we have this one, and something will connect to somewhere. Okay, so it wants me to twist these two together. So I guess we just kind of get them lined up down here. Twisting is because they're already kind of twisted. Gotta get them to twist again. Okay. And there we go, I think. Okay, that's all the twisting done, I hope. Or maybe not, just a little bit more here. Okay, so now what does it want me to do? Now I need to take the 6 one and put some of the double-sided. This is much easier when it's not trying to stick it on the studs there. Just put that one there, and that one there, and then take those off. Okay, so now where does this go? Oh, I shouldn't have took the stickers off yet. I need to take, why is it 6? Oh, I guess that's probably the smallest one they have. So we want to take these two, just plugging them in like that. And then this one, and plugging it in over here. And where does this go? It's going on the underside on this. No, it goes on this side. Oh, that's right, because, wait a second. Because this is like wired up over there. But I don't like... Could we not have put it in there? Like, it does reach. So what do they want me to do? So what is this supposed to do? This is supposed to go down the edge here. I don't know if that'll... Can I don't know. Can it go in? Like, it would fit in there, but you need something to just kind of hold it in there. And what would you do with that? How would you do that? Well, they didn't provide a piece, but I can probably find something to do that with. I do have this that and kind of just hold that down there. Like, it's not a huge difference there. And then I don't know if I like this going. Like, I'd rather have it go in there. Why wouldn't we stick it in there? like it would seem like that would be a better spot for it. Is that gonna run into anything there? What is it? Oh, will it run into stuff? Because the functionality is kind of in there? Okay. But I could just... Oh, it's going to be in the way, I guess. Okay, so it wants me to put it there. Also, yeah, I guess it needs to be on the outside. So we have quite a lot of wire here. Where are we going to put it? So I put this here. Is what it shows. We put that there. Now, what are we doing with this wire? Like, I guess you just bunch it up and put it beside it, I suppose. Is what it has it showing. You just do this. There we go. And then I don't know what to do about this one because it's not in a good spot. Like, I really want to hold it down somewhere. Like, even if it's like over here. Now, do I have another? I just have 1x6s and 1x4s, so a 1x6 fits in there. Is that going to be in the way of the landing gear? Nope, it's fine. So we could do another one and have it just kind of, yeah. Can match it up even. Or maybe I can't. Let's see. That's probably fine. It's not going anywhere. Just don't want to make sure it's not flying around on the outside there. And then I have this, which we can now plug in here. It doesn't really matter, we'll plug it in over here. And we'll see. Oh, the rear ones flash. Okay, so this, we gotta see this. Okay, we've got this. Okay, so this is pretty cool. On the back side, these flash. Are they both going? Yeah, they're both flashing. There they flash. Isn't that cool? The red ones flash. We've got the yellow ones on the top. We've got the cab lit up. Look at that. That looks neat. And then we have the front lights. Let's get that. So that is pretty neat. Anyway, so there's the whole, like, it's lit up on the sides like that. And then it's got the top light and it's got the cab. That cab is awesome. The front lights as well, and these flashing red lights on the back. Let's just turn off the lights. There we have it. We have that cab. Look at that cab. That's awesome. That is really neat with the cab. And then those lights, the lights along the sides, and the light on the top, and then the flashing red lights on the back. It's awesome. That is a really great light kit, I think. I really like that cab. That cab looks so good with the lights coming out of it. Man, It's too bad Lego doesn't actually make the lights for these sets. That would be awesome. Anyway, I think this was a great light kit. And when I was looking, this was the one that when I was looking at the light kits on Amazon, this is the one that kind of stood out to me. Just having the lights on the Ornithopter make it look really good, and they really do. It really does look really good with those lights on there. Anyway, if you like that and you like to see some more light kits, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.